Okay, trying to get these two to be serious for a video clip is like next to impossible. Okay, so this is why Giselle keeps cracking up, because this one won't quit laughing. So Giselle, okay, what is it that you're offering for in the morning?
Blueberry pancakes.
And why are they special?
Because it's lemon blueberry pancakes.
Okay.
It's delicious.
So Giselle and Shasta are going to give us blueberry pancakes in the morning. Are we on?
And coffee.
And coffee. Well, she's not offering coffee. We bring our own. Everybody. Okay, so that clearly was not blueberry pancakes, and predictably, I guess I have had an episode, and so my friend Giselle brought me chorizo and eggs this morning with a tortilla, and that was so nice and so kind. And yes, it is wonderful to be camping with people. Giselle and Patty are here and looking out for me, and I'm very grateful for that. So is Robert, so is my trustee, and I get people wrote in and said you shouldn't be camping alone and all of that, and I get that, but golly Moses, be nice about it. I'm losing my life as I know it here little by little and watching it slip away and doing the best I can. I shared on the live chat that it's a lot like when you have to tell your parents or grandparents that you don't think they should drive anymore, or that they shouldn't live alone anymore, and they're just not ready to accept that. And I'm doing my best to move into acceptance on it. But I don't need people being like mean or cruel or harsh or critical or cold-blooded about it. Jeez Louise, be nice. I get it, and I appreciate you looking out for me, but just deliver your messages, please, a little softer, a little kinder. That's all I'm asking. That's all I'm saying. You know, whether it's me or somebody else, if you're trying to tell somebody they need to give up life as they know it, try being extra kind and extra loving about it. And on that, the video I'm going to share tomorrow, y'all won't believe what YouTube did to me over my video about depression and suicide. We'll talk about that tomorrow. But so today I'm camped with friends, and we're going to go tomorrow, and I'm going to wash this gray right out of my hair. They're taking me in for my hair appointment, and so I'm so grateful for that. So yes, I need to not camp alone anymore, and I'm glad to not be alone right now until Robert gets back. So what I want to do today though is give a proper thank you and tell you more about the 4 tires that I got. Okay, you guys know that this journey began when I had a blowout going to meet our friend Glenn, and he had to change the blowout or change to my spare tire. But I don't know if I've shared clearly that one, the lug nuts had been changed out, and so the tire iron I had no longer matched. We had to go traipsing all over the desert for a tire iron, and then the jack that I have doesn't raise this van up high enough to get the spare tires off. So it was like a long ordeal. And so thank you, Glenn. And also I have to share with you guys that we went to 5 different people trying to get this tire fixed, or to find a tire iron out here in the middle of the desert where we could change this tire. Now that meant going 5 miles down the mountain and running around the desert. And we finally found the most kind man, after finding unkind people, that is just lovely. And he is the host. His name is Byron. He is the host at the Blythe LTVA area. So if you are in Blythe, go out to the LTVA area and say hi to Byron. He's so awesome. Okay, let me see what I got here. Hold on. It was, almost dropped the paper. Okay, it was 4 new Ironman tires, size 16 and 10 ply. And we didn't go with off-wheel, not only because of the expense, but see, when I'm having trouble, my left eye closes because most of my damage was in here, well, all over, and of course the surgery was back here. But anyway, my eye starts closing, and I still have bone fragments here. Anyway, I just realized my eye's closing, and I'm sorry, everybody. But that's the 4 tires I got, and we didn't, oh, that's what I was saying. We didn't go with all-terrain because I always forget where I'm supposed to look. Anyway, we didn't go with all-terrain because it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle, and we're not going to be going off-road like way out anymore. I promise, we're not. Anyway, we would not have been able to do that without the help, of course, of Stephen. Thank you again, Stephen. And then my friends that met me for lunch were Joan H., and then the 2 that are camped with me now, Giselle and Patty. So thank you to them, and thank you to everyone that contributed on my live chat and to our PayPal, and for the lovely notes and emails and everything. And I am doing much better and am very grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. I just wanted to answer that and do a proper shout out and a proper thank you, because I didn't feel like I did a good job on that. And also, I need help. If there is anybody available that knows MailChimp and can help us get the monthly newsletter out, I really need help with that, and we can talk about that if you will email me at twomeander@gmail.com. Of course, I'm going to do this month's, and I can work with whoever ends up helping me next month, and that would just be a great way to start 2019 with some help on the monthly newsletter. Okay, everybody, talk to you tomorrow. See you down the road. Bye. It wasn't. It wasn't. Okay, now do it again.
See, I can't do it because I'm looking at Patty. She's cracking up over there. Okay.